Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Today we are going to do more questions on word problem of subtraction. Okay, so children, we have already done question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. So today we are going to do question number 7, 6, 7, and question number 8. Starting with question number 6, children, let's read what question number 6 is saying. Seema added 11,780 to a number. She got the sum as 18,035. Now the question is saying what was the number she started with. Now children, the question is saying that Seema is a girl. She added 11,780 to a number. Okay. And what she got after the addition? After the addition, she got 18,035. Okay. So now the question is asking what was the number with which she has started. Okay, children. So how you are going to find that number? Children, can we take that number as x? Let's let the number be x. Okay, so we don't know what is the number. We can assume it as x, or you can give any name, any alphabet you can give it. Let the number be x. Okay, we don't know with which number she has started, so we will consider that number as x. Now student, we know that in x she has added 11,780, and what she got 18,035. Okay children, so when we subtract a number, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000, we don't know this number. Okay, so let's keep it as blank. Okay, now children, the number which she added was 11,780, and the answer after adding 11,700 in this number which we have assumed as x, the sum was 18,035. Yes children, now what we can do, student, if we subtract, children, if we subtract this from this number, if we subtract 11,000 from 11,780 from 18,035, then can we get this number which we have to find? Yes children, and there is one rule also that you will study in higher class, that if you are adding any number, like you have to add 11,780, you have added 11,780 in a number which you don't know, and the sum you got is 18,035. So what will be the number? Children, in this what you can do, here it is plus, you will subtract this side, you will take that number to this side, Like this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So you will take this number to this side and you will subtract. स्टूडेंट उससे भी आपको x का वैल्यू पता चल जाएगा एंड व्हाट यू कैन डू ये दिस कॉन्सेप्ट comes in higher classes, so you have to ignore this. आप सिंपली क्या करोगे चिल्ड्रन, if you have to find the number, what you will do, आप 18,000 ये जो ये नीचे वाला नंबर है आपका जो सम मिला है ऐड करके, then what you will do 18,035 में से आप 11,780 को subtract कर दोगे. Okay, you will subtract 11,780, then you will get this x. Okay children, so let's subtract it. 18,035, you will subtract 11,780. So what you will get, when you subtract 0 from 5, you will get 5. You cannot subtract 8 from 3, you will carry from here. 0 cannot give any number, so 0 will also borrow from 8. So here it will be 7, here it will be 10. Okay children, but this 10 will give 1 to 3, then here it will remain 9. Now this will become 13. When you subtract 8 from 13, you will get 5. When you subtract 7 from 9, you will get 2, 6 and 0. That means your number x is 6,255. Now children, you can also check it. How you will check? Student, when you have added, yes, हमने क्या करा था, यहाँ पे x assume करा था. Student, children, यहाँ पे let the number be x. We don't know the number. So what we have assumed? We have assumed x. And what we have done? उसमें क्या करा था हमने? 11,780 को add किया था and we got this sum 18,035. Yes children, यही करा था इसमें. 11,780 add करा था and we got the number 18,035. So children, अब हमें x की वैल्यू पता चल गई है. Yes, x की वैल्यू है 6,255. So अब आप ये x की वैल्यू यहाँ रख दो और इसको ऐड करो इसमें. आपका आंसर ये आना चाहिए. अगर ये नहीं आया स्टूडेंट, दैट मीन्स यू हैव डन रॉन्ग. सो आप फिर से चेक करोगे. ओके, नाउ ऐड दिस. Student, we are doing addition, so you can write the greater number below also. Otherwise in subtraction you will write greater number above. See student, this is same 18,035. Same. That means your answer is correct. So this is your answer. Children, this type of question, it will come in 3 marks. ये 3 marks में आ सकता है आपकी unit test 1 में. Okay, so now your next question is a factory produced 13,285 TV sets in April, 2,302 TV sets in May. Find the increase in the number of TV set. Now children, आपको find करना है कितने ज्यादा टीवी मई में सेल करे हैं, प्रोड्यूस हुए हैं. So in this, what you will do? This is your solution. Answer number 7. Numbers of TV produced in April. 13,285. Numbers number of TV set produced in May is 2,302. Now, student, you have to find the increase. ठीक है, कितना increase हुआ है? Increase in the production of TV set. So what you will do? कितना increase हुआ है? Student, मई में आपका 20,302 प्रोड्यूस हुआ एंड अप्रैल में आपका 13,285 हुआ है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल अगेन, आपका इंक्रीज कितना हुआ है, यू विल अगेन सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो चिल्ड्रन, यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 2,302. ये आपका मई में हुआ है एंड आपका अप्रैल में जो हुआ है वो हुआ है 13,285. You will subtract it and you will get the answer. So children, 2 will borrow from 0 and 0 will borrow from 3. That means the increase in production of TV set is 7,017. So your answer is 7,017. Student, here what you have done, you know that the TV set produced in April is 13,285 और उससे फिर 13,285 अप्रैल में प्रोड्यूस किया था और मई में प्रोड्यूस किया 20,302. दैट मींस इंक्रीज तो हुआ है. यस, पहले 13,000 समथिंग प्रोड्यूस हुआ था और अब 20,000 कुछ प्रोड्यूस हुआ है. तो चिल्ड्रन, आप इसमें यहाँ क्या करोगे? व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट जो टीवी सेट ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस हुआ है मई में, यस, उसमें से आप अप्रैल वाले का सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे तो आपका जितना भी इंक्रीज हुआ है प्रोडक्शन टीवी सेट में वो आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. दैट मीन्स 7,017 प्रोडक्शन से इंक्रीज हुआ टीवी सेट का. ओके, नाउ चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Your next question says that there are 43,742 persons came to see a football match on Sunday. 27,936 persons came on Monday. How many more persons visited on Sunday? Write the number sentences. Children, this is similar to your question number 7. वहां पे भी आपका कितना इंक्रीज हुआ है प्रोडक्शन, यहाँ पे भी यही पूछा है कि कितने ज्यादा, हाउ मेनी मोर पर्सन were visited on Sunday. So this you will do as your homework. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.